Today we are going to learn how to make wild roses. For this you need glue, plier, scissors, pencil, any color crepe paper, green color crepe paper, a bit of tissue paper, a thin flexible wire, a thick straight wire, yellow colored pips and green floral tape. All measurements are in centimeters. Cut templates as given below. You need 5 petals which are large. Cut 5 pieces. Small petals, cut 5 pieces. 1 sepal and 3 leaves. Now you take 15 pips, pull them together like this, put a thin wire in the center and fold them. Twist the wire, tightening it at the base. So you get pips like this. Similarly, you make another set of 15 pips and 2 sets more of 10 pips each. Take a bit of tissue paper, roll it into a ball and put it on top of the thick wire. Hold it in place and cover it with another bit of tissue paper like this. And tie the base with the thin wire. Twist the ends of the wire and bend them. So you have a tiny ball on top of the thick wire. Now you take the 10 pips and put them around the tissue paper ball. Put both of them, arrange the pips a bit around the ball and tie this with a piece of wire tightly. Twist the wire and this is how it will look. Similarly, you take the 15 pips bunch and again put them around the earlier bunches, a little lower than them, and tie it with a wire again as earlier. And this is how it will look. Now you take a petal and you stretch the middle portion of the petal with your thumb and finger like this. This is called cupping. This is the shape it will form. And then you pull the top edge of the petal in opposite directions with your nails. This is called crimping. Then you take a thick wire and roll the edge of the petal on the wire. Pull the wire out and this is what you get. Do this on the other side also. And this is how your petal should look. Like I have done for all the petals. You have to do all the 10 petals like this. Now you take about 6 inches long thin wires, twist one end of it, like this, hold it in your left hand and then you take the small petal and put it between the wires, push the wire till the twisted end and then tighten the other side by twisting the wire. This is how your petal will look. Then you take the large petal and similarly you push it and tighten the wire. And this is how all the petals will look after you strung them together. Now you push the smaller petals in front and put the bigger petals, the larger petals at the back like I have done. Then you take the pips and you wind the petals round the pips. Do it tightly so that it does not slip. And this is how your flower will look. You may need to pull the petals a bit to position them properly. Now you take the sepal and apply first apply glue at the base of the flower and on the wire so that you can stick the petal on it, the sepal on it. Like that. And now stick the sepal onto the base. Stick the loose end also. And this is how it will look. Now you apply glue at the base of the sepal. Take a bit of floral tape, stretch it and wind it round the base and onto the wire till about 5 centimeters. Like that. Now you take a leaf, fold it in half so you get a central crease. Open it. This is the crease you get. Take a bit of wire, fold it and then put the leaf in the middle. Push the leaf towards the other side and twist the wire to secure the leaf. This is how it will look. Now you apply glue on the leaf and then bind tape around it. And this is how it will look. I have done the other 2 leaves. Now you take all the leaves together, put one slightly higher than the above, the other 2 like this, and bind some tape round it. Cut off the rest, the excess tape. This is how the leaves will look. Spread them out a bit. Now you take the flower and put the leaf after leaving a gap of 5 centimeters from the base of the flower. Around here. Take the thin wire and wind it round the leaf and the flower stem tightly. Twist the ends. Cut off the extra wire. And this is how it will look. Now you take a little more green tape and wind it round the base of the leaf to cover the wires. Like this. You can make the stem as long or as short as you want. In this case, I am not making it very long. Cut off the rest of the tape. And here's a wild rose.